Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to achieve this amazing quality like Topaz. To attain this level of quality, make sure to watch the video all the way through. Follow each step to enhance your editing skills. So, let's get started. The clips for editing. You can find it in the YouTube scene packs. Once you download it, import them into Alight Motion and edit them as needed. Now, export the project in any quality above 720p. For the enhancement app, we will be using Tova AI. After you log into Tova AI in the settings, you will find your account and ticket information. In the rewards section, you can earn 120 energy by watching 5 ads energy every day, and convert that energy into tickets in the item store. Once you have earned enough tickets, head to the Home tab and select a video for enhancement. Now, let's discuss the most important settings. The settings depend on the type of scenarios present in your clips, such as daylight scenes or indoor scenes. I will create a dedicated video on this topic if you leave a comment. The settings that apply to all types of clips for better enhancement are: go to the Manual tab, set General Model to 2, Sharpen to 8, Reduce Noise to 6, and check the interpolation box for smoother edits. Set the FPS to 120 and strength to 10, then click Generate. You will see 2 options. The second option costs more tickets but takes less time. Choose accordingly. After processing is complete, download the enhanced video and open it in the Afico app. Here, set the sharpness to 100 and structure above 60 based on your clip, then export the video. The final step is to apply a CC to your clip in Alight Motion. I have provided the color corrections in my previous videos, so feel free to check them out. Then, export the project. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials.